Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best air purifier for acrylic smell you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Welcome to our thorough guide to finding the best air purifier to combat the lingering and often overwhelming odor of acrylic. We understand the importance of establishing a fresh and breathable workplace, whether you're an artist working with acrylic paints, a hobbyist working on DIY projects, or just dealing with harsh odors from acrylic-based items. In this video, we'll look at the best air purifiers for fighting acrylic odors. Our in-depth study and expert recommendations will assist you in making an informed selection, ensuring that your indoor areas are free of unpleasant odors and full with clean, revitalizing air. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5. Winix AM80. With the Winix AM80, a powerful air purifier that rivals the popular Kawa AP1512HH, Winix has made a strong comeback in the low-end category. Its dual air sensors, true HEPA filter, and plasma wave technology provide great performance in medium to large living rooms and are priced little, about $200. Breathe Quality gives it a B+ rating, praising its sturdy construction and outstanding features. Meanwhile, the latest Winix 9800 and Winix XLC cater to the higher-end category, with improved performance and intelligent features. The Winix AM80, a sleekly designed rebadged version of the Winix C535, offers excellent value for money. It remains a top choice under $200, despite competition from newer models such as the Levoit Vital 200S and BLIR 180. With dependable customer service and ENERGY STAR certification, the Winix AM80 is a dependable and cost-effective air purifier alternative. Pros of Winix AM80. Solid build with new black color. Impressive dual air sensors for the price. Great performance. Cons of Winix AM80. Sometimes price is higher than Winix AM90. Must place far away from other appliances. On number 4. BLUEAIR Bedroom Air Purifier. The BLUEAIR 411 Air Purifier is the pinnacle in air filtration, with a simple one-button control for easy settings. This unique device integrates BLUEAIR's HEPA silent technology, which provides clean air in minutes while remaining silent and efficient. When set to high, it can clean a 161 square feet room in 12.5 minutes or purify an XL space of up to 772 square feet in 60 minutes. With only 17 dB on the lowest setting, the purifier is certified as the quietest in its category, making it ideal for uninterrupted sleep. It also removes 99.99% of pollen and other allergens, making it ideal for allergy and asthma sufferers. It effectively collects particles as small as 0.1 micron in size, such as smoke, dust, viruses, and pet dander. Furthermore, the carbon filter aids in the removal of odors from smoking, pets, and cooking. The BLUEAIR 411 has garnered various honors, including being selected Wirecutter's Best Air Purifier from 2019 to 2021, Good Housekeeping Lab's Best Value Air Purifier in 2021, and an Apartment Therapy Best List Air Purifier in 2020. To ensure peak performance, replace the filter every 6 months with authentic BLUEAIR filters, and an upgrade to the smoke block filter is available for greater smoke elimination. With its impressive capabilities, this air purifier is an excellent choice for maintaining a clean and healthy home environment. On number 3. IQAir HealthPro Plus Air Purifier. The IQAir HealthPro Plus is a strong air purifier with an output of roughly 300 CFM, which is 50 CFM higher than top-rated 250 CFM devices. Its filters are of good quality and contain a large amount of filter material, which reduces the need for frequent replacements. With 5 pounds of activated carbon and alumina, the gas filter provides 4 to 5 times more gas filtering media than most other purifiers, assuring faster and longer gas removal. Despite its size, the machine is surprisingly portable and comes with casters for easy mobility. It also comes with a 10-year warranty after registration, whilst most competitors only give 3 to 5 years. However, its drawbacks include a high price, limited energy efficiency due to thick filters, and noise at full fan speed. The unit's performance is primarily driven by its air processing power, while its thick HEPA filter helps to filter longevity rather than better particle removal. The IQAir HealthPro Plus is a sturdy and well-made Swiss product that misses some capabilities available in less expensive models, making it ideal for rooms up to 300 square feet. Pros of IQAir HealthPro Plus Air Purifier. Substantial output at around 300 CFM of output. This unit has about 50 more CFM of air processing power than top-rated 250 CFM units. High quality, substantial filters. All filters contain a lot of filter media. This means that you don't have to replace filters on this unit nearly as often as you do on most other air purifiers on the market. A great warranty, a 10-year warranty if you register the product with the manufacturer. Most other air purifiers on the market have a 3 to 5 year warranty at most. Cons of IQAir HealthPro Plus Air Purifier. Price at approximate $900. This unit is 4 to 6 times more expensive than top-rated units. Likely due to the thickness of its filters, this unit also has much worse energy efficiency than top-rated units. On max fan speed at around 300 CFM, this unit draws well over 200 watts of power. Top-rated units output at around 250 CFM on max fan speed and draw well under 100 watts of power. On maximum fan speed, this unit is also very noisy. On its highest fan speed, it's almost as if it hits an extra gear. Air noise through the diffuser is substantial and almost hits a different pitch than it does on lower fan speeds. On number 2. MSA3 Air Purifier for Home Large Room. The Membrane Solutions MSA3 is a solid air purifier for rooms up to 210 square feet in size. To tackle poor air quality, the 3-stage filtration system contains a pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and carbon filter. The gadget has a distinct look with blue indications, and while it lacks advanced functions, it includes key features seen in traditional air purifiers. Although touch-sensitive, the control buttons blend in with the device's color, causing some confusion. The airflow of the MSA3 pulls in air from the front and filters it through 3 stages before releasing it from the top. The device measures 19.5 by 33.4 by 54.5 centimeters and weighs 13.7 pounds. Although the filtering effectively captures hair, dust, pollen, allergens, and foul odors, the carbon filter's efficiency for gases may be limited due to the little number of carbon pellets employed. The MSA3 runs silently, and an indication light indicates when the filter needs to be replaced. Overall, it's a good option for bedrooms, modest living areas, and workplaces. Pros of MSA3 Air Purifier for Home Large Room. 3-in-1 filtration. Filter reset indicator. Silent at work. Cons of MSA3 Air Purifier for Home Large Room. Bad control buttons position. Low odor removing power. Maintenance is slightly more expensive. On number 1. Winix 1022-0214-00 Wi-Fi Air Purifier. The Winix Air Purifier employs a true HEPA filter, which captures airborne pollutants as small as 0.3 microns, including dust mites, pet dander, pollen, and other allergies, with an astonishing 99.97% efficiency. Its plasma wave technique eliminates odors, allergies, chemical vapors, and other contaminants at the molecular level. With a confirmed CADR, clean air delivery rate, of 233 for dust, 240 for pollen, and 230 for smoke, the device has a power of 65 W and is appropriate for medium and large rooms up to 360 square feet, such as children's bedrooms, family rooms, and kitchens. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor air quality via the Winix Smart app, guaranteeing you never run out of new filters by enabling Amazon Dash replenishment. It is also Alexa compatible for voice requests and air quality information. So guys, this was the video about the best air purifier for acrylic smell. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.